सुषुम्नं नालङ्कृता मूर्धजा वाण्येकासमलङ्करोति पुरुषं या संस्कृता धारिते क्षीयन्ते खलु भूषणानि सततम् वाग्भूषणं भूषणम् वाग्भूषणं भूषणम् पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीय प्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम् आयुण ऋ ए ओं ऐ औच हयवरट लण यमगणनम झभय घढधश जबगडदश खप छटथ चटतौ कपय शशसर हल इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि. So what was the topic?
प्रकृति भाव up to प्रकृति भाव संधि.
Prakriti bhav.
I studied yesterday.
Okay.
Hare Krishna Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Bol. Prahlad Das ki jai. After long days, I'm back to Vrindavan.
Ji Prabhu ji.
Prabhu ji, are you in any Gosala?
Yes, I'm in a Goshala.
You are getting very good vibration and energy, aura of the Gau Mata.
Yeah. You see a calf is sitting here.
Yes, yes, on the cot.
Yeah. It's a newborn calf.
Prabhu,
There is a cow grazing. There are many cows on that side, yeah.
This is Vrindavan? This is in Vrindavan?
Yes, this one. You missed it.
Actually, next time if Radhaji permitted, then I will stay there for at least week. 1 week.
Yeah. You should stay a month.
Yeah.
Then only you will see something. Okay. There is a light. Anyway. So, Prakriti Bhav Sandhi is the topic today, huh? As per I understood.
Prakriti Bhav we have studied.
We have studied Prakriti.
Plut Prakriti Bhav. Plut.
प्रभु जी प्रकृति भाव फिर से करवा दीजिएगा. मैं ना थोड़ा सा मेरे को काम था तो I missed this last few lines.
Okay. Revision cannot be done.
Yes, we'll do it again. Prakriti Bhav Sandhi.
Page 17.
Yes. Asmin sandhau nimitte satyapi sandhi karya bhava. Understand what they are saying. Asmin sandhau. Sandhau, which vibhakti?
Sandhau.
Any idea?
Haro means Saptami?
Yeah. Hari in Saptami vibhakti. Haro. Kavi becomes Kavau. Rishi becomes Rishau. Ravi becomes Ravau. So this is Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda. Sandhi. Sandhau. Asmin Sandhau. In this Sandhi. Nimitte Satyapi Sandhi Karya Bhavaha. Even though there are conditions for Sandhi, still nothing is happening. That is called Prakriti Bhav Sandhi. So they will remain as they were. But still it will be considered as a Sandhi. What kind of sandhi? Prakriti bhav sandhi. Swabhavena avasthitihi prakriti bhavah ityarthah. Nature they were before, that same nature will prevail. Yata hari etau Vishnu imau Gange amu इत्यादौ यणः निमित्यस्य सद्भावेपि यण न प्रवर्तते. So hari plus etau is equal to hari etau. Vishnu plus imau is equal to Vishnu imau. Gange plus amu is equal to Gange amu. There is no change. And you can see here Hari, Vishnu, Gange. Do you see anything here? Do you see anything here? No?
Words, they are remaining as it is.
No, in these words, Hari, Vishnu, Gange, these are all Prathama Vibhakti Dvivachan. Ganga, Gange, Gangaha. Harihi, Hari, Harayaha. Vishnuhu, Vishnu, Vishnavaha. So, ityadau yanaha nimityasya sadbhavepi yan na pravartate. Even though there was a potential of having yan sandhi, iko yanachi, Hari plus etau could have been Haryeto, but there is no sandhi. Vishnu plus imau could have been Vishnavimau, but it did not happen. Gange plus amu could have been Echo Yavayavaha. So Gange Yamu, but it did not happen. So even though there were potential, but still no sandhi occurred here. That's why these are called Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. Very less students. Actually, we got a 4 days off. I think that is the gradually they will start coming. Yes. So you understood what is Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. Clear?
Yes, Prabhu.
Very good. Now Pluta Prakriti Bhava. Plutasya sware pare nityam pratibhavaha. Radhesham. Plutasya sware pare nityam prakriti bhavaha bhavati. Plutah kutra prayuktabhyah iti vyakarana shastrenaiva jnatavyam. Wherever there will be Pluta, Hrasva Dirgha Pluta. So if there is a Pluta Varna, like a Hare Agacha, Hare is a Pluta Varna. So after Pluta Varna, there cannot be any. Is it clear?
Yes. Number one, it is writing Pluta Pragriya Achi Nityam. Pluta Pragriyasya Achi Pare Nityam Prakritisya Syu.
You got the right point, yes. Pluta Pragriya Achi Nityam. Plutasya Sware Pare Nityam Prakriti Bhavaha. If the Purva Varna is Pluta Varna and Paravarna is the Ach Varna, Ach means vowel, then
all vowels.
Then definitely there will be Pluta Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. So that means there won't be any Sandhi.
Okay.
Plutah kutra prayuktabhyah iti vyakarana shastranaiva jnatavyam. Where to imply this Pluta, that Vyakarana Shastra itself will say. Panini पाणिनीय नये प्लुत विधायकानि सूत्राणि bahuni santi. In Panini grammar, there are lots of sutras which says you where you have to do pluta akshara. Teshu ekaikasya arthotra vibriyate. So, पाणिनीय नये प्लुत विधायकानि सूत्राणि बहुनि सन्ति तेषु एकैकस्य अर्थोत्र विभ्यते. So there are plenty of sutras which are pluta vidhayaka, which tells you to go for pluta. Okay, I'm speaking in very simple English so everybody can understand. If anybody is not understanding, they should let me know. Such as Durat Sambodhane Yadvakyam. This is a sutra. Durat Dhutecha. This is the sutra. Durat Sambodhane Yadvakyam Taschatehe Plutah Syat. So whenever we are calling somebody who is far away, Hey Raghava, Durat Dhutecha. So Durat Sambodhane Yadvakyam Tasya Tehe Plutah Syat. Tehe means this A. Hey Ram, Hey Krishna. Sambodhane. Durat Dhutecha. Very clear. So definitely Antima Swaraha Pluto Bhavati. Ram, Ram. The Antima Swara Varna becomes Pluta Varna. Vakyasyante yatra sambodhanam bhavati tatraiva ayam plutah prayujyate. Someone can share the screenshot in the group so that everybody can read. Just the Prakriti Bhav.
Share.
Vakyasyante yatra sambodhanam bhavati tatraiva ayam plutah prayujyate. Vakya ante, at the end of the sentence. Chotu, ठीक हो? राधे राधे. Vakyasyante yatra sambodhanam bhavati. At the end of the Vakya sentence, wherever there is the sambodhana, addressing, tatraiva ayam plutah prayujyate. That is where this pluta is added. Below you can see in small letters, Agaccha Krishna Atra Gaus Charati. So the friends, Shridam, Sudam, Dambu Sudam calling Krishna, Oh Krishna, come here. There are lots of cows grazing here that you can see already. See? Right? So Agaccha Krishna Atra Gaus Charati. So Agaccha Krishna, the last becomes Pluta, and there is number 3 written there. You can see it. Right?
नहीं.
You don't see it? Hmm. So the number 3 indicates Pluta Varna. Number 3 indicates Pluta Varna. Okay. So what happens? Wherever there is number 3, that is Pluta, Agacha, Gacha Devi, Asau Tatrasti. Devi, E is short but becomes Pluta, E. So it does not matter. The letter can be Hraswa or Dirgha, short or long. Both can be Pluta Varna. Okay? It's not necessary that a Dirgha Varna will only become Pluta. A Hraswa Varna can also become Pluta Varna. Okay? So whenever you see number 3, that is Pluta Varna, there is question of any Sandhi. It will remain the same even though there is a put of Sandhi. So that means if you do the Sandhi in these cases, then how will you understand that this is an address? Someone is addressing. Like Gachat, Agacha Krishna. Krishna plus Asau. So it can be Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, Krishna Asau. Agacha Krishna Asau. Gous Charati, if I say, then how will you understand that this is not Krishna? It is Krishna. So to let it be in the form of address, you don't do any Sandhi, but still it will be considered as Prakriti Bhava Sandhi. Clear? Plutah Vakya Sambandhiti Smaraniyam. Gacha Devi Asau Tatrasti. Oh Devi, go there. Asau, both of them are waiting there. Tishta Vadhu Esha Pya Gachati. Tishta Vadhu. See, Vadhu is Hraswa, but it will become Pluta. Newly married wife. Tishta Vadhu, wait there. Esha Pya Gachati. She will also go with you. Shinu Hare Atreyam Gopi. Hey Hare, listen. Hey Hare, listen. Atreyam Gopi. Iyam Gopi Atra. The Gopi is here. Pashya Guru Eshaha Mam Tadayati. So the student Gurukul is saying, Pashya Guru. Hey Guru, look at us. Eshaha Mam Tadayati. This boy is beating me. So complaining. Okay? So this is Pluta Prakriti Bhavaha. So what are the conditions? See, in which conditions there will be no Sandhi, even though there is a potential. So when there is a potential, but still there is no Sandhi, that is Sandhi. So, Duradhutecha, that we have understood already. Addressing someone for Pluta Pragrihya Achinityam, whenever Pluta Varna, and there is Ach, there is a vowel after that. So even though there is a potential of Sandhi, but Achi Pare Nityam Prakrityaha Suhu. So there is like, hey Hare, you got a Pluta Varna. Then Atra Agacha. Hey Hare, A is there. and atra agacha a is there. So purva varna is a, paravarna is a. A and a, there is a sutra called echo yavayavaha. That could have been implied here very easily. But if you see, Hare, A has number 3. That means it's an address, calling someone which is duradhutecha, calling someone who is far away. So duradhutecha, it says that whenever there is a calling from distance, the A will be number 3. So that is Pluta. And Pluta means Pluta pragrihya achinityam. Pragrihya. You have to understand this word pragrihya. Grihya means to grab something. And pragrihya means prakrishtena grihya. Very specifically. So Pluta pragrihya achinityam. Plutaha pragrihyaschya achipare nityam prakrityaha su. Which is specifically caught as a Pluta varna. Like, hey, hare, you can very clearly see that this is Pluta varna. So even though there is a ach vowel afterwards, there cannot be any sandhi. Very simple. Pluta pragriya achi nityam, always. There is no exception in this case. Like previously you saw va, either or. But here nityam means there is no confusion. It will always be prakriti bhav sandhi. Okay. Pragriya prakriti bhav. Now prakriti, Pluta prakriti bhav we understood. This is a subdivision under the category of prakriti bhav sandhi. So first one is Pluta prakriti bhav. So wherever there is a hraswa dirgha Pluta varna, there is naturally prakriti bhav sandhi. This department we have finished. Next department is Pragriya prakriti bhav. Someone is not, but accept it like that. That is called Pragriya prakriti. Explained you Griya and Pragriya. Pragriya means which is forcefully considered or taken. Pragriya pare nitya prakriti bhavaha bhavati. So whenever something is considered as Pluta, it is not Pluta, but it is considered. Like you treat it equally to Pluta. That is the meaning. You don't think that this is also Pluta, but you give the same treatment, the treatment you give to Pluta. Clear, Prahlad?
Ji, Prabhu.
Prahlad. Yes. Viram Das?
Yes, Prabhu.
Sharanagati Didi? Sharanagati Didi? Padma Radha?
हरे कृष्ण प्रभु मैं
हरे
थोड़ा
कृष्ण,
लेट
sorry.
ज्वाइन
अच्छा, लेट ज्वाइन किया है.
गेस्ट आ गए मैं वही ट्राई कर रही हूँ
हाँ, धातु में लकार होता है. धातु में कितने लकार है आपको याद है? वो क्या आपको पता है सब? बोली 10 लकार है. आप पढ़ नहीं, मैंने तो शेयर किया था ना. लट लिट लोट लुंग लंग, भूल गई?
याद है।
और ये पद्म राधा दीदी, पद्म राधा तो आप है नहीं, आप तो शरणागति हैं. नहीं, पद्म राधा है क्या? हाँ, अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा. शरणागति दीदी कौन है? कोपी ना जानाति. नो वन हैज एवर सीन हर, बट शी अटेंड्स द क्लास. ओके. तो 10 लकार होते हैं, हम जानते हैं. तो ये 10 लकार लौकिक व्याकरण में प्रयोग होता है. ओके, सुनिए ध्यान से. So there is Prahlad. There are 10 lakaras that we all know. Okay. What are the lakaras? Lat lakar, langar, lut lakar, lit lakar, lit lakar, ring lakar. But there is a particular lakar which is only used in Vedic. In Vedic richas, that is called late lakar. तो जो लेट आएंगे उन्हें लेट लकार से संबोधन करना चाहिए. समझ गए वरिंदर जी?
जी ब्रो.
तो लेट जो आएंगे वो तो वैदिक हो गए ना फिर तो.
हाँ, वैदिक हो गया वो फिर. लेट लकार होता है, उसमें क्या है कि वर्तमान में भी भूतकाल का प्रयोग किया जाता है उसमें.
पूजनीय हो गए फिर तो.
हाँ, जैसे सदाधार, दाधार है, ये लेट लकार है. आसीत, ऐसे वो प्रयोग कर देंगे. वो कहना चाहते हैं वो विश्व हैं, ही इज द विराट फॉर्म, बट ही इन लेट लकार दे विल यूज आसीत. Past tense they will use, but it is actually indicating present. Okay. So it was a joke. Now let's go back to our content. Now we are going to read Pragriya Prakriti Bhav. Where is Sarvadev Das? He is also little.
सेवा हो इसीलिए तो आते हैं.
Yes, he is a brahmachari. Pragriya Prakriti Bhav. So Pragriya means greens can be considered or grabbed. Okay? That one can take under consideration. And Pragriya means specifically taken under consideration. So what is here? Pragrihesya sware pare nityam prakriti bhavaha bhavati. So there are certain words like Hare Agacha. Hare is naturally Pluta. But there will be certain conditions that even though it is not Pluta, but it will be considered as Pluta. It will be treated as Pluta. That's it. You see, Idu Devachanam Pragrihyam. This is the Sut 1:111. Ut idude tantam dvivacham pragriya sanyah syat. So the it and ut ikaram ukarantam ekarantam cha dvivacham pragriya bhavati. So the words which are having E, U or A at the end. Okay? Like a Hari, Vishnu, Sadhu, Ravi, Kavi, It, Ut or Et. Like Late and Dvivachan. It has to be Dvivachan. So, Lata, Late, Lataha. Keep in mind, huh? Lata, Late, Lata. That's why I say that the Vibhakti Rupas and Dhatu Rupas has to be memorized. Otherwise, the knowledge will always be superficial. So, Hari. Hari. This Dvivachan. Then Vadhu, Vadhu. Guru, Guru. So only Dvivachan. Dvivachan. Lata, Late, Lataha, Latam, Late, Lataha. So Prathama Vibhakti and Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachan only. But which type of words it should be? It should be it, ut and et. Either it should end with e or u or a. It, ut or it. Understand, wherever there is a ta, the ta goes away. It means only e. Ut means only ut, u. And et means only a. Idudet, dvivachanam. It has to be on dvivachan only. Then it will be considered pluta pragriya sanya. It will be pragriya means you will consider to be pluta. So when you consider it as a pluta, you will give the same treatment like you did for pluta swaras. So let's take an example. Kavi plus eto. Kavi plus eto. Kavi is ikaranta, hraswa ikaranta pullinga. It's a masculine but having short e. So kavi plus eto. Kavi eto. But in dvivachan, it becomes long. Kavihi kavi kavaya. Ravihi ravi ravaya. So kavi plus eto will remain as it is, kavi eto, and you will apply the sutra idudet dvivachanam pluta pragriya sanya. So this idudet as it, ut, et. Altogether idudet. Clear? Idudet dvivachanam pragriham. That's it. Very simple.
ये ब्रैकेट में फिर अत्र यण न प्रवर्तते.
Atra yana pravartate. So even though there is a chance of yan sandhi, iko yanachi, like, see, kavi plus eto could have become kavyeto. Iko yanachi will become ya, and it could have become kavyeto. But yanana pravartate because you have considered this kavi as a pluta varna. Okay, you have considered kavi equal to pluta. It is not pluta, but you are considering giving the same treatment like pluta varna. So it will follow the rules which are added for pluta varna. Okay, kavi eto guru imau late ete pachete imau pachate pachete pachante. But this is a dhatu. Asi ashramaha, ami ashramaha, aho atra bhavan, a evam numanyase. Very beautifully collected. These are all used in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi and Siddhanta Kaumudi. So they have given an example. Very brilliant book, you know. Ikarantam, ukarantam, ekarantam cha dvivachanam pragriham bhavati. This we have cleared already. Ami ityasya ikaraha pragriha bhavati. See, ami, there is a shabda, you saw ami. Ami plus ashramaha. So this ami is not dvivachan though. Adas is the shabda. If you read in Vibhakti Roop Sarvanam Pad, you will find adas. It starts with asau, amu, ami. Asau, amu, ami. So even ami is not dvivachan, it is bahuvachan, but still there is a specific, you know, sometimes you get a VIP pass. So this ami word has a VIP pass that it will get the same treatment even though it fall under the jurisdiction of previous conditions. So here, ami, and then it's come ashramaha. So it will remain ami ashramaha.
Prabhu,
Is there any sutra?
Yes, also mark. It's given for 4.
Adaso mat asmat para viduto pragriho staha. Adas, I said you, adas the shabda. Asau, amu, ami. Ami is bahuvachan. But adaso mat. Asmat paravi duto pragrihyo staha. So this will be considered. The sutra is saying, because this kind of applications you can see by Vyasadeva. So they have to forcefully consider this other sabda also. Aso amu ami. Ami is bahuvachan, prathama vivakti, but still it will get the same treatment even though it is not dvitiya vivakti. This adaso mat is a, how it is called? It's called Atidesh Sutra, Atidesh. It is overruling all the rules. Okay? Adaso mat is clear now. Ukarantam abhyayam. Ityabhyancha. Ang iti. Iti dvestaha. Tayur madhye इत्यव्यय प्रगृह्यम भवति जैसे एवं नु मन्यसे. So there are some अव्यय padas. Ang is upasarga. You say amantritah. This is ang upasarga. Goes away, a remains. So whenever a is there and standing alone, okay. Ukarantam abhyayam ityabhyancha ang iti iti dvestaha tayor madhye ityabhyayam eva pragrihyam bhavati. So ukarantam abhyayam, you see nipata ekajanang. This is nipat. Nipat is, see, there are 6 types of sutras. Sanya cha paribhasha cha vidhir niyama eva cha atidesho dhikarascha shadvidham sutra lakshanam. So there are 6 kind of sutras. But here what they say is nipata ekajanang. Ek ach. Sometimes there are certain words you find written by Vyasadeva, or you might find Vedas also. There is only one letter, and that is Achvarna, that is vowel. Like you see evam nu manyase. So is the part of one ek ach. Angvarya pragrihya syat. So if it is but not a part of ang is also upasarga, but ang will not be considered. Any other coming from other sources will be considered pragrihya, but if you see ang, that will not be considered. If it is upasarga, ang, that will be taken into consideration. Rest all wherever you see coming from other sources, there, even though there is a potential of like evam, so there could have been vriddhi sandhi. A could have become I. Aivam nu manyase, the potential vriddhi radech. But there is no vriddhi sandhi. It will remain as it is evam nu manyase. This is division and subdivision. If you don't remember, no problem. This is just used very rarely. But the previous one, whatever I said, idu dvivachanam pragrihyam, duradhutecha pluta pragriya achinityam adaso odonto nipata pragrihya syat. Okay. Wherever there is ending with O, aho, atra bhavan, aho. If it is ending with O and it is related to Vishmaya, Vishmaya means exclamation, aho, atyascharya, oh my God, big surprise. So aho, there will not be such kind of expression. You cannot have any sandhi. So it will come also under Prakriti Bhav Sandhi. And why it will come? Because you will forcefully consider it like Pluta. You will give the treatment like Pluta. So these all which are not Plutas will also be considered as Pluta, so that they can get the same treatment a Pluta has. And what is the treatment Pluta gets? Wherever there is Pluta, hey Hare, Hare Krishna. So Krishna is an address. There cannot be any Sandhi anymore. There will be Prakriti Bhav Sandhi. Is it clear for everybody?
Yes.
प्रगृह
Yes,
प्रकृति भाव होगा ना?
प्रहलाद, नटरानी, लेट लकार कहाँ थी अब तक? नटरानी?
Ji Prabhu Ji.
Yes, Prahlad was there from the beginning. So you understood what I said, huh?
It is a little bit understood. When you mentioned the from the Lagu Siddhanta, the changes there and the Pluta Prakriti Bhav, I may have to re-listen to this recording because it sounds from the notes here very similar to the Prakriti Bhav in some sense to me, because being an English speaker there.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, the examples are not easy for you to understand. Of course, you never use it, but you have to listen to the recording again. Then only you will be able to see how the bull is opening the door itself and coming inside to it.
प्रभु जी, this is a ये किसी की डेयरी वगैरह है या वैसे ही एक गौशाला है जैसे?
सेवा मूलक है ये. You. This is Pluta Varna. What
He
you
has a
said is
very
Pluta
big hump.
Yes, this is pure Indian breed. Yeah, this is Gir breed. These are street bulls. They come once in a while to eat here. Yeah, so in a nutshell, there is nothing much. Prakriti Bhav Sandhi is Prakriti Bhav Sandhi is a Sandhi which there is no Sandhi. Prakriti Bhav means it will remain as it was before. See, it has also a big hunch. This is also Gir breed. He is born here. He is not very old. I think maybe 7-8 months or something.
No, more than 7-8 months. Only.
No. He is, because here they give the entire milk, mother's milk, to the bulls.
Only
So
7-8 months? No, I don't think so, bro. 7-8 months. 1 or 2 years. 2 years, I think.
No, it's not. It cannot be 2 years. I
Yes,
saw
it
him
is.
taken birth.
Oh, whatever you feed, this will take some time. I don't know how much growth, but I'm also a farmer, basically.
So you know, maybe possible because there are few similar looks. So I am not so much to identify them. But as far I know, this is Nilmani. I don't know. Yeah, maybe it is 2 years possible because one bull was born when my son was born. So similar.
It is 2 years, Prabhuji. The look is 2 years.
Possible 2 years, yeah.
Maybe 2 years plus.
बड़ा कोमल रहता है, कोमलता रहती है.
Yes, maybe 2 year plus.
Yes.
Not less than 2. Anyway.
Virender ji is a farmer, a good farmer, Virender ji.
Probably, actually, my
On
interest was
video,
farming only,
by seeing in
but my
video,
father
he
wanted me
just
to become engineer.
Mm.
Actually, my passion is for farming, actually.
no,
But
Good.
after you retire or before take VRS, then come to Bengal, you start
Mm.
here farming
probably
and
Bengal, no
teaching
way.
Sanskrit.
Bengal is very dangerous.
That is why I'm calling you. More devotees we want here.
No, it's not dangerous. Yeah, I mean, what you see on the always in
News,
the
news is political news
news, yeah,
only.
see the news. You see one incident happening does not mean that the entire state is in danger. You understand? Some
Yeah, I can
incident happened
understand.
in
I can
Bengal,
understand. They just want to, you can say, milk it.
but there is lots of infiltration. There is lots of
Yeah.
influence, yeah, but it's not in danger. I mean, where I was staying, there are some communities there, but you can go.
Yeah, I have many friends
Look,
in. I have many friends. We are just kidding them that भाई आ जाओ हमारे इधर आ जाओ पंजाब. Even
no, it's
Punjab
a beautiful
nowadays.
place actually. Yeah,
So
it's a
you
beautiful
never know when
place,
things
and it's
change. Look,
very,
Ukraine was
they
very
need.
peaceful.
Mm.
Things are
No, they
changing.
need some very culture. If you start something there, there are lots of people anywhere in India. India is a very golden country. I mean, you start anything anywhere, there are lots of buyers for your thing, whether it
Yes,
is spirituality, education,
biggest
whatever it
market,
is.
world's
Yeah,
market.
everybody is willing. If you do something distinct, people are there to support and help you, and they want to come. But in Bengal, we need because the root Vedic culture has been destroyed by these communists for ruling for 34 years continuously. You understand? So there was no Hindu government ever. So now there is no Sanskrit, no culture.
That's the
So it needs actually, and to manifest there, it's very easy. Things are very cheap there. It's one of the cheapest state. Resources are very cheap, and like you cannot make a thatched roof here in Vrindavan so easily, and you tell the villagers they will make a thatched roof in 5 days for you. You understand? So mud house, thatched roof, these things are very easily, and people are helpful. So we'll do something definitely there, and that's why I'm creating you, giving all of you the teachers training so that all of you can start, and I will help you, and you run it. I will visit there, stay there 2 months, 3 months, and train them. So this I want to preach the Sanskrit literature, and our classes will always continue. So you learn here and you teach the same thing there. It's very easy process. It's not difficult. But this time I spent a good time there. I spent more than one and
actually, like what
1
I'm
month.
saying, like you are associated with the ISKCON, right?
Yes, yes.
So ISKCON has a long list of devotees, and even they have an influence on like some other big temples. People generally going there, right? They can put a word to like our community that they can start teaching Sanskrit to their children. That should be from temples itself. They should start this so that people at least should know about our culture, know what happened. Probably we don't know anything, and anyone can manipulate us. He can show that this is bigger than this, like this. They are like
Yeah.
you can understand what I want to say. So this should be, you can say, nurture. It should be from because people like we should also have a fatwa kind of thing. What I believe.
Yeah, we should have that. We have to create it because ISKCON has many other things that they have to concentrate on. These things, this pure teaching of Sanskrit knowledge, because not many people knows also. Not many people knows what
Yeah, they
is
can
its
like
important.
my concern is that when you have a big no, we are in democracy and democracy listen to majorities only, means big voices. If you have some this way, even in I don't know, but I can see that if I'm trying to do this, but nobody. Okay, leave this.
No,
Probably
no,
this
it
is a
will
very big
happen.
topic.
Yeah,
Yes.
it will happen. It's not a big deal. Sanskrit Bharati is an organization, I think 80 years, 60 years old, maybe 40 years old, 1990, 40 years old. They went to Bengaluru, Karnataka. There is a district called Shimoga, and there is a
Yes.
village called Mattur. And
And-
there they started teaching 5 people, 6 people, 7 people, 100 people. Then they taught all the villagers. And they converted everybody. Their mother tongue is Sanskrit now. Everybody speaks in Sanskrit.
Yes.
There
I
is
heard
very
of this.
part
I heard of that
village
village.
got converted into Sanskrit village. So if you take small steps but continuously, that things manifests.
Actually,
So that
Prabhu,
is my objective.
one thing more
Do it.
about this. Actually, people are also now a bit scary nowadays.
Hmm.
Okay, I don't want to go in that because okay, I am not at that. My climate is not suitable, so let's not. Okay, Prabhuji.
And rest
So we can close
we
this
can
class
help
today.
in
So we
different
can conclude.
ways.
We can
Everybody.
conclude class.
Hmm. So my point is that we can create. There are many bad peoples. There are many knowledge. Look at us. There are 11, 12 students coming daily. So you will find maybe in less numbers, but there are people who are willing to learn and preserve this culture. So you start a noble thing, people will come around you, and that is how things will manifest. We are at the initial stage, but gradually things will manifest. This is my firm conviction, and this will happen. This has to happen. And so I am teaching you not just a class, it's how you will start loving Sanskrit. That is more important than the class. If you love, then you are ready to give it wholeheartedly. And then you can do something. You understand? So there should be madness for it. That madness will get it if you continue studying this subject. And then you will understand how big jewel, how big gem this subject is. See how much detailings are there. How much detailings. If somebody talks about detailing, there not be anything in this world more than grammar. Grammar has so much detailing, but when they're doing the detailing, they're keeping in mind the entire grammar, that rule should be applied everywhere in all the 8 chapters. And 4,700 sutras should comply with that. It's not like there are 100 sutras, there are 4,700 sutras. And all the sutras do not go against it. So there are type of sutras. Sutra should stand on its own merit. So this is a very big deal. Okay, Prahlad Das or Ram Das, anything you want to say? Not me. हरे कृष्णा बोलिए, कहाँ थी आप? नहीं ले मत करिए, तो फिर क्या है कि आप ही को समझ में नहीं आएगा. घर में मौका मिलेगा कि नहीं दोबारा रिकॉर्डिंग सुन, पता नहीं. तो लेट करेंगे तो आपका ही मिस होगा, फिर दोबारा ये चीजें रिपीट नहीं होंगी ना. इतना वास्ट है कि हम आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे. इसलिए कोशिश करिए समय से जुड़ने का. अभी थोड़ा मैं आया हूँ, वृंदावन सेटलमेंट हो रहा है. अदरवाइज आई विल लाइक टू स्टार्ट लिटिल बिट अर्ली 5 PM. वृंदावन में ट्रैफिक जैम होता है ना, सो थिंग्स आई कैन नॉट स्टार्ट इमीडिएटली. आई हैव टू गो समवेयर एंड थिंग्स लाइक दैट. एंड आई लाइक टू टीच अंडर द ब्लू स्काई, in the natural light, not in artificial light. तो आप लोग करिए, और धीरे धीरे ऐसे ही पदक्षेप लेते लेते हम एक दिन अपने गंतव्य स्थल पर पहुंच जाएंगे. अभी संधि चल रहा है. Ach Sandhi, don't take it lightly. Ach Sandhi is one of the most complex subject of grammar. You understand? Others will not be so complex. Ach Sandhi is one of the most complex, even though the grammar starts with it. So people think, oh, Sandhi is nothing. But it has so many bifurcations, so many subdivisions, that what you have studied 1 month before, I'm sure that you have forgotten it. But when I will revise, it will come up again. So Ach Sandhi, at least Sandhi is very useful. Sandhi and Samas, these two chapters are very, very, very much useful. You know, for the slokas, I'm saying. Understand the sloka, split the sloka. The Sandhi and Samas are very much useful. And this is teaching the grammar in a superficial way, but following the sutras of Panini. That's why I recommended this book, even though it's very rare to find. But this book it follows the grammar along with the sutra. So you are simultaneously having both knowledge. You are understanding the Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi as well as the application of that. This book is mainly application, how to apply. And the grammar book is mainly how the word is being created. What are the sutras? Why this sutra is applied? That is a different part. And this book is a very beautiful dovetailing of both the things. Okay? So we'll meet again tomorrow. Tomorrow is, I think. So day after will be Ashtami. And you practice. Pankaj ji, you are practicing well at home?
Yes, Prabhu, trying. I am trying, Naman.
Yes.
When Ashtami? Tomorrow or day after tomorrow?
Day after.
Today is Chaturthi, Prabhuji.
Oh, today is Chaturthi. Oh, then it's fine. Oh, then it's fine. Then we have
Ashtami is on 11th October.
Oh, then it's very good. Because I came from Bengal, so I don't know what's going on. Here there is no Navaratri or anything. Yeah.
In my society, the big puja, then surrounding also so many. And then with Godia, if I go to Rajpur, oh, so many.
Where is Narendrapur? Narendrapur is in North Calcutta.
No, it is South Chobis Pargana district.
Where? In which location?
Godia, you know, Godia, after Godia. Godia, after Godia. It is then Kamalgachi, then Narendrapur, then Rajpur.
Bangladesh border, almost.
No, not Bangladesh. It is Baraipur. Baraipur, you heard Baraipur?
Yes, I have gone to Sonarpur.
Sonarpur, yes. Sonarpur is this area only.
Yeah, lots of Bangladeshi infiltrators there.
Rohingyas are also there.
Yeah, yes, they're also there. So, Prahlad, your understanding? Viram Das, you are very rarely attend classes. Viram Das, I'm worried about you.
Viram Prabhu.
Prabhu, I had some service to do, and then remember the internet problem and now being rectified properly. So that's why for the past few weeks, I did not get no attendance. And even though I put mobile in my phone, where I live in